In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a note to a matter in Clio Manage. Keeping clear notes on your matters is essential for accurate records, smooth collaboration, and fast recall of details later. I'll walk you through the exact flow so you can capture information quickly and confidently, and I'll share a few practical tips along the way to keep your notes useful and professional. First, open Matters in Clio Manage. This is your central hub for all active and archived matters. Think of it as the starting point for anything you want to do with a case. Opening the Matters area ensures you're working within the correct workspace before you add any information. Next, select the matter you want to add a note to. Take a moment to confirm you've chosen the correct file by checking the client and matter details visible on the screen. A quick pause here helps prevent mix-ups, especially if you're handling several similar matters. Once you're inside the matter, go to Notes. The Notes section is where ongoing updates, call summaries, reminders, and internal observations live. Keeping your notes centralized here ensures that everything stays tied to the specific matter and is easy to find later. Now, create a new note by clicking New Note. This opens a blank note editor so you can capture your information right away without distractions. Enter your note in the editor. Be specific and concise. Include the essential details someone else on your team would need to understand the context at a glance. Things like dates, outcomes of conversations, key decisions, and any important follow-up you want to remember. Write in clear, plain language and avoid including unnecessary sensitive information. If you're summarizing a call or meeting, note who was involved and what was agreed upon, so there's no ambiguity later. Before you finalize, review the note. Read it once for accuracy and clarity, and scan for typos or missing context. Ask yourself if it would make sense to a colleague reading it for the first time, and whether it reflects the matter correctly. A brief review now prevents confusion and saves time down the road. Finally, save the note by clicking Save Note. The note is now attached to the matter and safely stored within the Notes section. You'll see it listed there for easy reference whenever you return to this file. That's all it takes to add a note to a matter in Clio Manage. Build the habit of documenting key information right away, and your future self and your team will thank you. Thanks for watching.